Igcine iboshiwe insizwa ngeyokufika kuleli kwezwe laseCongo ebikade salisa abantu ngesibhamu edolobheni lakwaNongoma. Umphakela umthakathi ubeseyinekela emaphoyiseni. Phezu kwalapho uphakela umthakathi ubambe enye insizwa kusolakala engazi nayo ingeyokufika ayizeke ithi ingayikhona lapha eMzansi. Iphethe umuthi oyingozi kakhulu ongadingeki inhlobo emphakathini. Kanti-ke mbukeli kwelandelayo lobhudlikile ubumba phakathi kwensizwa ezintathu, Max umfoka Makhanya, uThabani umfoka Hlatshwayo noKing umfoka Bhangala. Lezi zinto zobe zingamathe nolimi. Kanti-ke mbukeli ezokujabulisa uma kuthi wena uhlele ekhaya usebenza ngenxa yokuthi ushawa iminyaka usungaphezulu kwa-35, iDA kumhlangano noma kwimemezelo ozenza namhlanje emhlanganweni wayo uthi umphathela indaba ezinhle kakhulu mangabe niqhubeka niyivotela. Ziyamlandela uCyril Ramaphosa izindaba ezenzeka ngo-2020 khona eplazini lakhe iPhalaphala okwezindaba zamadola. Uyaziphendulela-ke mbukeli kumavidiyo sikuphathele wona. Mbukeli sithanda ukuthi sikubingelele bese siphinde sikwamukela, sithembe ukuthi uyaphila ulapho ngasemakhaya. Sikutshele-ke mbukeli ukuthi lezi indaba esikuphathele zona asifundi phansi kodwa sikulethela indaba esithembe ukuthi azikakafiki kwena nokuyizona indaba ezinohlonzo. Esithanda ukuthi mbukeli usitshele ime ukuthi uyathanda indlela esikulethela ngayo indaba njengamanje noma sishintshe siwele kwindlela endala. Sicela ukuthi siqale emumva njengoba sikulandelelisa izihloko okwezona esiphethe lapho khona sikulethela umbukiso ibanjwa ifakwa emotweni yamaphoyisa eVonyeni ngeguzu. Insizwa okungeyokufika lapho ebuya eCongo ibikade isabisa abantu ngesibhamu edolobheni lakaNongoma nasenkundleni zokuxhumana. Ithi yona ingamane ife nomuntu walapha eSouth Africa kunokuba ife yodwa, kodwa akufanga umuntu ivele iyakhalelwa amakasongasigonywela isiyodonsa lapha ejele. Kungawudilika jele nangaphezulu mekuwukuthi kanjani. Nansi ividiyo.
Uhulumeni wethu la eSouth Africa, abaholi bethu oMalema nezwe niyababona benzana oMalema, bafuna kufe nini uMalema ngeke azafe, uhlala eSandton, uhlala kwi-estate egadwa ama-security awu-2000. wena ugadwa umuntu uhleli nabantu la abafana abantu. Uyabona mina njengoba ngincenga kanje, abanye abantu abafani nami. Awubuke nje umfana omncane kanjani so uyabulawa sekufi future yomuzi wakubo, nawe uyabulawa kufi because abantu abafana abantu. Sihlonipheni izwe lethu leli, silwela into okufanele siyilwele madoda niyazi. Nasehluhlwe siyeza sicela ukuthi ningahlali ehluhlwe, hambani niye emakhaya bese bafowethu. Once South Africa kwaphuma wonke umuntu okufika eSouth Africa, then kuzoba lula ukuthi sicontrole amaborder, kuzoba lula ukuthi sicontrole isystem. Even labantu bako Home Affairs abathatha imali zenu ngeke beyithathe, nizobuya ngendlela eqondile. 2, fundani njengoba nisibona silwela izwe kanje. Fundani bafowethu, hambani niyolwela izwe nani. Niyabona bafowethu, muyindoda la emhlabeni vele uzofa. Niyezwa, ngisho umfundisi bafowethu ovuka ekuseni akhulume ngoJesu, akhulume ngoNkulunkulu, uzofa. Akekho umuntu ongekazazi. So kasimusu lokhu sithi mangabe sithi senza izinto siqala impilo ngokufa. Impilo kayiqalwa ngokufa, impilo iqalwa ngempilo. Impilo iqalwa ngezinto indoda okufanele izenze la emhlabeni. Khuthazekani bafowethu niyezwa, khuthazekani bobhuti bami, hambani nani niyobamba iqhaza ekukhuliseni nokulungisa izwe lenu. Singaxabani, ngeke silo lento uhulumeni afuna ukuthi yenzeke. Uhulumeni leta yenza koMalema nje ukubabona bekhuluma kanje noMalema, bafuna kuphehleke impi la izweni. Singalokothi silwele oMalema, singalokothi nje. Ningalokothi nigolozela ama-South Africans niwagolozele ngezinto ezikhulunywa ngoMalema, ngoba bona makuthiwa kuyaliwa ngeke babe khona. Mangathiwa sekufa abantu ngeke babe khona bona, ngeke bafe bona. Yes, ingane zabo ifunda nabelungu kodwa bathi abelungu ababafuni. Bahlala endaweni zabelungu lapha kodwa bathi abelungu ababafuni. Bahlala nabelungu endlini kodwa bathi abelungu ababafuni. Bafuna kulwe thina sodwa. Asihlakanipheni bafowethu nezwe, asingalwi. Hloniphani thina njengoba sikhuluma nama-South African, hambani emakini.
Hayi
Uzokwenza lola.
hayi ngithengisa amayeza kaloku.
Uthengisa amayeza, ubona amayeza.
Now what's up?
Namba yami le. yini
Udumba Spoon.
mana ukhiphi
Ubeke phansi Udumba Spoon.
apha amaphepha ukuthi uzodayisa imithi lawa uyini udumba sibumba
Udumba Spoon.
yeah
Hayi kanye ukuchazela konke lo nto.
hey wena baba masaba ngisiyadlala nje ngalokhu sineka sikhipha lolu lutho kusemlonyeni asidlali la uyezwa yini asidlali la asidlali and uyabona ukuthi azange silwe nawe ubonile ukuthi asilwanga nawe asithanga siqala salwa nawe sihloniphe awuthanga nje sikumile
Kaloku bekuthiwa ngihloniphi bengingazuza xa ningibiza. So angithi yini ukhombisa ukuhlonipha ukuthi xa uyibiza yize. Ebekuthiwa ngihloniphanga bengihlala kuphi. Hayibo. Ngihlala eThekwini Fashion.
namhlanje suka
Isuke eLuzo eMashona.
uhlala emashona kwabani
Angihlali bento kukhila kwe-point.
ubhukhela ukuzodayisa lento le
Yeah.
yini udumba sibumba
Udumbalo yilento ukuthi xa ufuna intombazane oyibawelayo. Hayibo. Igcobeshani lapha esandleni imhathi. Mbambe nyame. Batshelwa nguwe. Batshelwa nguwe.
ubona ukuthi into ekahle ke leyo uyenza kumuntu omthandayo noma yenza kumuntu noma imuphi umuntu
Lo muntu lowo angafuni ukuthi akuhlabise. Hayibo.
othandana naye othandana naye hey wena ndoda usuka kuliphi izwe
Waseyisen Cape.
usuka kuliphi izwe uyena waseyisen Cape wena
wafikela khona eStern Cape usuka before beStern Cape
Ngizalwa khona eSisen Cape.
ngoba isibongo awuthi sibone ID
Andiphathanga.
hayi
Isiduko sami.
hayi bafo iyekeni lento yena iyekeni lento yena yabona lento eniyenzayo iyekeni baba awuyena wase-Eastern Cape wena sinikeze i-ID sibona uyayazi i-ID yakho ngekhanda nje obungaka
Ngiyayazi ibuze kaloku.
ithini
97 11 29. Hayibo.
umama wakho umaba
Hawu mama kasekho kodwa
umabani
naye umambukwana uthatha ngubhashi. Isiduko sakhe.
umabukwana yini umbukwana
Kaloku bekusazi waseyisen Cape. Ngekuzazi.
manje yini indaba ungadayisi lento e-Eastern Cape
Nakhona ndiyathengisa lapho. Ndiyathengisa.
iyo lento okudlwengulwa ngayo izingane zabantu ulale nengane yabantu ulale nengane yabantu ingaqondile ingaboni ukuthi ifuna ukulala nawe ngenxa ukuthi wena usuyithintile ukuyithinte ngalento ingane yabantu bese ulala nayo ngoba phela uma ngabe umphiseshiselwa igazi uzokwenza izinto angayiboni so usebenza lo msebenzi wena awudakiwe ayihambi ke lapha awukhiphe lezi zinto siyibona bambani lento nini
Mbukwana ubuzowenza lapha
La. Hayi bengisuka lebuthelezi la.
lapha
lokho kwani ke lokho iyo lento okudlwengulwa yizo lezi zinto okudlwengulwa ngazo ingane lezi wani lo imhlola yani imhlola yani
wazokhila imhlolo lakithi
Cala phambili enkandeni.
wena uyeke ukudayisa imithi ngakini uzodayisa imibhedo lapha ngakithi faka la kubhakha lento le hamba faka la kubhakha yonke lento uyawushiya lo bhakha lo
sise police
faka lento kusasa lapha epolice station uzolanda lento
uwo lo nje
ugila imkhuba yani bafowethu nizobulala ingane zabantu uthinta umuntu ongalophuzi ongathandani naye why ufanele umuntu umthanda usebenzele imithi
Kuphunywa bempethu.
akho kuphunyuka bempethu awuphunyuka kangangani wena faka lapha phakathi lento yeka lento faka lapha phakathi hamba baba
awusaphuka
use lapha epolice station kusasa
Hayi kaloku ngeke ngikwazi nginazizoma lapho. Okanye mhlawumbe ngiye khona epolice.
hamba bepolice
sekukusasa
hayi mani uyamuza uthini hamba epolice station no hayi uyabona nje ukuthi wena uthi ufuna ukuya epolice station manje hamba kuye-police station sesiqedile ukukhuluma ngoba yithi esithe woza kithi epolice station kusasa uthi wena ufuna ukuya manje
uphethe othumba la dlungula ingane zakithi
udakiwe lo
Sicela ukuthi sizwe laba comment section ukuthi ngabe uzizwa kanjani imbukelo kulokhu. Mebe khona abakufika ababukele njengamanje sicela ukuthi sizwe kini ukuthi owenu umbono utheni nithi nani niyofana wasemzansi noma nifuna ukubona njengoThomas waseBhayibhelini sekwenzeka okuyokwenzeka kunina njengani nalo osekwenzeka isibonelo ngaye kwavele kwalula ukuthi aqoqwe kukancane ukuthi aphinde abuyele laphana kumphakathi wase South Africa ngoba ungathola ukuthi ukhona la eMzansi nje ngokungemthetho mhlambe uyobe sebuyela ngengolovane ezweni langakubo. Nawe ke zama ukuthi uthatha ama chance ubone ukuthi uyophelelaphi. Kanti ke mbukeli sodlula kulezo bese silandela lapha odaweni lensizwe ezintathu la sibeke khona sathi lo bhidlikile ubumba uMax umfoka amakhanya, uThabani Bongani Hlatshwayo, bese kuba uKing umfoka Bhaka. Kubonakala sengazuthi umuntu ongene phakathi kwensizwa ezimbili kade zizabangane kanje zamathi nolimi uMax umfoka amakhanya noKing umfoka Nzama uKing Bhaka iyona lensizwa ephana nendawo mbukeli uThabani umfoka Hlatshwayo okuyena oputshuze ingxoxo ekade ebanazo benoMax Makhanya. Angathi lezi ingxoxo zigxibha zibuye gxibhe nayo uKing umfoka Bhaka okuyena umuntu obekade umngane kakhulu noMax umfoka Makhanya. Uzokhumbula uMax Makhanya njengoba namhlanje kuMax Makhanya inhlula wayekade efuna laphana induna. Uzokhumbula uZondo waseMsinga osebenzela isilo simfuna uhasha enhla nasezantsi simfuna ephila. uMax wadabula ke yizeke wagcina enikela lapha kuBhaka bezobhaka uBhaka wamsethela ke into zakhe wagcina ekhululeka into yakhe umfoka Makhanya yalungiseka njengoba namhlanje engasana zitha ezimlandelayo zakhona lapha eNdlunkulu esizazi njengoba besazi ukuthi limfuna ukhasha laphana umdidiyelo wamabutho uNondaba eMsinga. Mbukeli ngicela ukuthi ngikudedelele nje ivideo sizwe ukuthi ngempela yini lebangwa mhlawumbe nawe khona okwaziyo usitshela mbukeli.
Manje uThabani akalande into eveza mina ngisho leyo nto kuyi awukwazi ke King ukuthi uyasolva ebese wenza njengoba wenza njengamanje ngoba njengamanje usuzama ukumprotecta manje ukuthi hayi ngeke akwazi ukuveza nobufakazi. Uyikhulumelani ke pho leyo nto from the first place nje uyikhulumelani leyo nto
imake Max imake Max uyabona mangabe usolve something awuchemi mina kuwena uMax uThabani uthe benifonelana nikhuluma ngezinyanga kuze kuthiwa inyanga ayilungise kulungisayo into ebeniyikhuluma. I believe ukuthi unayo lo evidence wena leyo. noThabani uthi ukhulume nawe wathi wena nakhuluma ecingweni ngendaba ukuthi you are monitoring i-social media kaZondi. I believe ukuthi Thabani unayo lo evidence. I believe ukuthi nobabili ninayo lo evidence. Uma ningenayo lo evidence nobabili ni wrong. Ngeke kodwa ngifuni evidence
efuneka kumina ngangizwanga lapha.
Uthe ama calls ebeniwenza noThabani ubenikhuluma ngoba kukhulunywa ngezinyanga. uThabani khola beyenza ibiba about inyanga ekumele ifonelwe nekumele kwenzekeni nekumele mhlawumbe siplanele uthe injani.
Nginawo lawo ma evidence mina nginawo impela lawo ma evidence. If uThabani une evidence yalento ayishoyo ukuthi mina ngathi ngisebenzela inkosi leyo nto leyo kumele abe nayo ngoba akakwazi ukuphusha amahemhemu ibhale lento yoba iqinise ebantwini.
Max mfana wami ngicela wehlisa umoya kuqala. Unayo evidence wena usho njalo Thabani unayo wena Thabani i-evidence la ethi khona ulokhuzana uMax urana i-social media kaZondi unalo evidence
phone call.
Okay wena Max evidence yakho kakade kuyini
isho nje King ukuthi uThabani besijwayela ukuxoxa naye ngezinyanga. I-evidence iyo lengishilo ukuthi bekuya kwenzeka utholo ukuthi inyanga mhlambe thizeni iyambalekela iyamgolozela ebese ngithi hayi kulungile leyo nyanga leyo ngangithumelela inamba yayo ngizama ukuxoxa nayo ngasesayidini lami ngizwe ukuthi izoresponda kanjani. Wayengithumelela uThabani lezo namba ngithumelele nezinto ama screenshot neimali ezikweletwa lezo nyanga lezo zonke lezo zinto lezo zikhona because
I-recording, Max.
relevant kulento esikhuluma ngayo kodwa makuthiwa iyafuneka leyo nto ikhona because
Max.
izinto uThabana eyisenda lezo.
Max, ngikhuluma nge-recording mfethu la. Ngicela Max singadlalani indaba yokuthi engathi lana khona ukudla code dilwayo. Ngibuza mina i-recording ye-conversation ukuthi unayo yini i-recording uMax nikhuluma naye before akusendele into akusendela yona. Unayo yini i-recording? uThabane unayo yini i-recording? Asikhulumeni nge-recording bafethu la. Nobabili unayo i-recording Max, Thabane unayo i-recording? Ukuze bethu uThabana akanayo uMax asivezele yakhe bethu uMax akanayo uThabana asivezele yakhe
Kuqaleni ukuthi i-evidence kube i-recording kuphela. Qaleni ukuthi makukhulunywa nge-evidence nje kuthiwe asikhuluma nge-recording kuphela sikhuluma qaleni lokho.
Max, uwena ocele i-recording kuThabane ye-conversation i-recording. Mina ngase ngidinaya le recording because ukurecorda umuntu owumfwenu
Uthini umbono wakho mbukeli? Ngabe uyabona yini ubuqili obukhona lo ngoba lana kubangwa ingqondo, kubangwa ukusa, kubangwa ubuqili. Ubani okuyena ngempela oqhatha lezi insizwa? Iqhamukapi le nkinga esikhona phakathi kwalezi insizwa ngoba uyabona ukuthi uma somfoka amakhanya lento ayimhlali kahle iyamfudumeza esifubeni iyamshisa noKing umfokabhaka yize ezama ukuthi abeke phansi umoya kodwa iqiniso uyalazi uligodlile kodwa futhi nalelo qiniso liyabaxabanisa akekho ongakubona lokho wena mbukeli uthi ubani isihlava phakathi kwalezi insizwa ngoba zonke beziyisheni lo ezona nalo lo ezona nalo lo ezona nalo into elisheni into ekanjalo sidluleke lapho mbukeli nxa isikhathi esingenaso. Ngifuna singene kule ezojabulisa wena ke mbukeli ngasekhaya njengoba bengishilo ukuthi nje meke ukuthi usungaphezulu kweminyaka ewu35 uhlele ekhaya awusebenzi uphethe qualification uphethe degree uphethe honors uphethe masters doctorate into ezikanjalo iDA kwi Federal Congress ka 2026 engicabanga ukuthi ngingakubiza njenge manifesto yayo uma ngabe ungayivotela mbukeli njengoba sibheke kukhetho lo masipala beyindawo nanka amagama amnandi azokuhla kamnandi kuwena hleze ujikjele ivote lakho kwiDA ngethemba lokuthi ukuba umahlalela nohola u350 uzohlukana nakho kusuka kulonyaka mangabe iDA ithatha.
With our proposer who is Eunice Mukesani. You have 90 seconds, ma'am.
Thank you. Over 35 and overlooked, the DA must address the employment age limit. I'm passionate about this resolution because workers over 35 bring experience, skills, and dedication to the table. Yet many face age-based barriers. This resolution promotes fairness, equality, and inclusivity, aligning with South African Constitution and labor laws. Let's tap into this valuable resource, reduce unemployment, and build stronger economy. Let's ensure workers over 35 get opportunities they deserve. Let's make fair employment a reality. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. We now move over to the seconder, Catherine Nkuna.
Thank you, Chair. I rise to support this crucial resolution on promoting fair employment opportunities for workers over 35. With South Africa high employment rates, it's vital we address ageism in the workplace. This resolution aligns with our Constitution, Section 9 on equality and labor laws, promoting fair treatment. By supporting this, we ensure experienced workers get fair, shot benefiting our economy and society. Let us promote inclusivity and fairness. Let us push equal opportunity for all ages. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I then have Gilbert Monanyana, who is not present for this particular, there he is. We always err on the side of inclusion in our party.
Good afternoon, colleagues. I suggest it's very important we submit this amendment on the basis that we have youth unemployment. When they not have access to employment, they become over the age of 35, which still makes it very difficult and limit them to access. So we need to speak about inclusivity in society. This is speaking not about young people, but all people, because people need to be able to feed the livelihood, their families and everything. So I plead with Congress, please support this motion so we create access to job security and health security in our families.
Thank you very much, Gilbert. JP Smith.
Thank you, Chairperson. Federal Congress and Council are opportunities to be part of a liberal debate and a reminder of our values. This resolution gave me pause for thought, as just like many administrations across South Africa, the City of Cape Town sets the age of 35 as a cutoff for entry-level recruitment in some departments. Yet when I go on patrol with neighbourhood watches across the city, it's often people in their 40s, 50s and olders who are keeping the community safe. Their expertise, energy and commitment is in no way diminished by their age. In fact, it's often greater as they're at a stage in their lives when they have families to look after, not just in terms of earning an income, but in terms of having arrived at a point where they understand that if they do not step up, no one else will. So out of respect for that contribution, and the many times somebody older than 35 who is making a valuable contribution has asked me if the new intake for law enforcement or Metro Police is open to them, I am compelled to speak in support of this resolution. And when I return to Cape Town, it's being discussed by the Safety and Security Directorate. Thank you.
Thank you very much, JP. Duncan Mtembu.
Thank you so much, Chair. Firstly, I would like to support this resolution. As a party, we believe in open opportunities for all in society. This includes people who are over the age of 35. Because if we then continue to only look at people who are under 35, it means that the current youth who are under 35 and do not get employment before 35, they'll be unemployed forever. And this is a sad reality. And it must not only end there, because we get people who actually go to tertiary institutions at the age of 30, 31, 32, and by the time they finish their qualification, it means they'll not be eligible for the internships and learnership. So we need to be strong in advocating to fight against SAPS internships, which are restrictive, as Department of Science and Technology, Department of Sports, Arts and Culture, and Youth Employment Services. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Duncan. Colleagues, as there are no opposing views, we will go straight to voting. Once again, please hold up your green card to vote yes, and hold up your red card to vote no. I see that the colleagues are very over-eager to vote. Please cast your votes now. I think it's clear that the yeses have it. Resolution 2 passes successfully. Can I then ask that the Speaker, Seconder, and other speakers for Resolution 4 make their way to the microphone? We are now going to start with Resolution number 3, which is entitled the Ethical Governance Charter. And you can find this particular resolution on page 118 of the Congress booklet.
Liyaphi elakho ivoti mbukeli emva kwe le clip esikade sikubonisa yona. Ngabe usalibuyisela la okade ulise khona ngonyaka odlule waqhubeka uda wahlala ekhaya ngenxa ushawo iminyaka, noma uzoyinikeza iANC ithatha ama chance sibone ukuthi yona ingenzani noma nayo iyokhala ngamathizithuzi namathuba emsebenzi njengamaqembu amanye abusayo namanye.
No, I mean, the IPID report is what you will have read. I had nothing to do with it. So that is a process. As I've always said, processes must play themselves out. And all these matters are being handled by the right institutions and we must allow those institutions to handle those matters. Thank you very much.
Mbukeli konke sikubeka kuwe njoba besishilo ke mbukeli ukuthi sizama ukuthi singene kule era yokuthi size visual mangabe sizo delivela izindaba wena uyositshela nje ukuthi hayi no sicela ukuthi nibuyele kwindlela endala noma uthi uyayithanda le ukuthi sihlanganise onke ama clips izindaba esiphathele zona kwivideo eyodwa unethezeke nje kanye nathi usubscribe ulike kube yilokho nje sibonke.